Dom here from Essential RC. We've got a new MD500 from RC Era. Let's open the box, let's see what we get. Instruction booklet. Battery. Super scheme. Okay. USB recharge cable, spare blade. We've got tools, tail rotor, and spare main blades as well as the controller. We've got auto takeoff and landing button. We've got 3 speed modes, and I do know to calibrate, which we'll do before we take off, we put the sticks to the bottom outside corners. If we want to take off manually, then sticks to the outside corners like that to start up. Right. So let's put our 4 AA's in here. Battery goes in that way. Make sure that it clicks and is engaged. Turn on. Make sure the blades are at 90 degrees to one another. Lights are flashing, so we go up and down. And now the transmitter, the radio transmitter, is talking to helicopter, let's take off. Do notice that's hands off and not a lot of drift. Not jumping around, look, hands off. Just little inputs. This is on low speed mode, obviously. We'll try it outside and we'll need high speed mode for that, but that is really nice and stable. Right, let's go through here. Bit more space. I have to say, this is the most stable RC era helicopter, just perfect for indoors. You just learn really quickly how to make little movements. Obviously you get the updraft when you fly over surfaces, so maybe landing it's best to use the button. But it is just tuned perfectly for indoor flying. You'll see others and they do tend to jump around a little bit, but not this one. So let's go and land on the countertop over here. So let's get vertically over. And we're down. Fantastic. That, I'm amazed by that. Others I've had that have the optical flow sensor do tend to jump around quite a bit, but not this one. This flies amazingly, amazingly well. So the link for this from the RC Era site is on the link in the video description and the pinned comment. But thanks for watching this flight test. I'm going to carry on playing. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.